Hello everyone, my name is Pramod Lal. Welcome to my YouTube channel Code Insight from Syntax to Solution. Today I am going to talk about the basic of AI. It's more theoretical and conceptual, not much coding, and hope you like this video. So let's talk about the basic of AI, concept of the AI, different flavor of the AI, like a generative AI, AI agent, agentic AI. So in today video, we are going to cover AI versus Gen AI versus AI agent versus agentic AI. I'll try to cover in next 20 to 25 minutes and hope this video will give you some understanding about the AI, Gen AI agent, and agentic AI. So the video title would be Understanding AI Concepts, Simple Guide with Real Example. Yeah, in this 20 to 25 minute of discussion or call, I'll going to share some of the real example with the concept. So now let's talk about the. We have to go fast. Reason being, I already said I have to close in 20 to 25 minutes. I can make a video for this content, this concept for more than 5 hours. But let's. This would be the basic. As I said, the basic. Let's try to close in next 20 to 25 minutes. And my intention would be at least you will get a sense or clarity of different flavor of the AI. So stay tuned. So let's talk about the AI, right? So there is a lot of definition, concept level on the internet, but I'm not going to discuss in detail. And I hope everyone today, whether technical and non-technical, they must aware of the what exactly an AI is. But in layman term, I'm going to say AI is a nothing, just trying to mimic the human brain. Right. So, in simple term, consider AI is going to mimic your brain. So now let's talk about the key feature of the AI. Key feature is analysis existing data. Based on the data, they recognize the pattern, and once they recognize the pattern, they make a decision on behalf of you. So critical point is analyzing the data, recognizing the pattern, and they are making decision on behalf of you. That's an AI in layman term. Real life example, it could be your email spam filter, face recognition in photo, credit card fraud detection, music recommendation. A Spotify tool is using this to recommend music based on what kind of music you listened previously. So hope the in simple term, AI is going to mimic human brain. Conceptually, it's analyze the existing data, recognize the pattern. Once they recognize the pattern, they make a decision on behalf of you. Now, one example, email arrive, this how AI filter, identify and filter spam email automatically. So this overall flow having the six step. Email arrive in your inbox, AI analyze sender, subject and content, check pattern against your spam database, calculate spam probability. Yeah, definitely in AI data science, AI machine learning, you should have a concept of the probability. So calculate spam based on the probability. If 80%, then move into the spam folder. If less than 80%, keep in inbox. So this is, I mean, real life implementation. Everyone is using some sort of the email service, whether the Gmail, Yahoo, MSN, blah blah. You see a lot of mail you can see in your inbox and lot of mail you can see in your spam folder. Now, moving to the Gen AI. So, what AI is doing? AI is analyzing the data, recognizing the pattern, based on that, making a decision in existing data. They are not going to create a new content. So, that's here Gen AI or generative AI come into the picture. So, what generative AI is doing? Definitely, they have to also, whatever the AI is doing, they have to also do the that kind of work like analyzing the data, recognizing the pattern based on the make a decision on behalf of you. Along with that, they create a new content, and that content, if it's a multi AI agent, then if you pass text, it will create text, image, and code. It's up to you what kind of agent that you are going to use. But consider generative AI, it's going to create a new content, right? So for example, you can see key features are, again, create a new content, generate text, image, and code on behalf of you. And to be honest, these days, I'm using the GitHub Copilot. Copilot is doing almost 50% code in behalf of me, my 4 to 5 hour of the coding on day-to-day basis. Then again, moving to the next key feature, it's learn from the large data set and original creative output, context understanding. Real life example, I can tell you, like ChatGPT, write articles and code. So definitely, if you give the instruction to ChatGPT to write an article on upcoming cricket match, so they will write a article on behalf of you. If you are saying write a code to do some database CRUD operation, so they can also write some code on behalf of you. DALL-E, it's again from the Google, it's create image from a text. You give a text, this will create an image in behalf of whatever the text provided. GitHub Copilot, generate code, as I said earlier. This company even encouraging to use the GitHub Copilot. And AI music generation, like you can pass music, one of the singer music, and if you pass, just convert those music or songs in different singers' name, they will definitely create a entirely on that song and new musician name, sound, not sorry, name and their sound. Moving to the next one, let's so generating AI. Just consider it's going to create a new content in behalf of you, whatever the prompt or instruction you are going to provide. AI is not going to create a new content. Just giving the you're making a decision on behalf of you. But in generative AI, it's going to create new content on behalf of you. So that's the generative AI. So here you can see, you can ask, give an instruction to Chat GPT. So write a professional email to reschedule the meeting, right? So see here, there are a couple of things here. Have to notice one, profit email. What kind of email? Professional email. And then what next activity you are passing? Yeah, Chat GPT has to do. It's rescheduling your current calendar invitation or meeting. So again, flow will be a very 6 steps flow. I have tried to capture a minimal step, maybe a couple of the steps we can extend further. But ChatGPT receive your request, understand context and tone needed, and then generate completely new email text, include greeting, explanation, alternative, add professional closing, and deliver ready to send email. So that's generative AI. What here the generative here? They write new email on behalf of you to reschedule the email. Sorry, reschedule the meeting. And here in the C, in step 3, generate completely new email text. And also including greeting, explanation, and alternative. Right. So that's generative AI generating a new content on behalf of you. Now, again, traditionally, here you can see the difference between traditional AI and Gen AI. Definitely, I'll share this PDF. You please go through it and let me know any modification and suggestion. I'll happy to incorporate those modification and suggestion. So traditional AI versus Gen AI. Traditional AI analyze existing data, classify information, recognize pattern, making predictions, sort and filter. Generative AI create a new content, generate new text image, write code, create art, music, original output. Here in example, thus previously we discussed. For traditional AI, we already discussed to classify email as a spam or not a spam. Now, moving to the next one. Here, you have to be a little more focused or be in attention. Now, so AI isn't right. So, what AI making decision on behalf of you? Generative AI creating a new content on behalf of you. Now, other than that, we need some more activity, more action, right? So here AI agent into come into picture. So an AI agent is an autonomous system that perceive its environment, make decision, take action to achieve a specific goal. So this all about achieving the a specific goal, right? But I mean, in the previous example, we also explained the example, reschedule the meeting, send an email notification. That is also a specific goal. Then your question would be, then why is AI agent is different than agent generative AI? We'll talk, you will get, be in, stay tuned. In next couple of minutes, you will get a very clear idea what is an AI agent. So what is the key feature? Autonomous operation will be more attention here. Autonomous operation. It's automate new operation, right? They do not need any supervision. They do not need any supervisor. They automate the new operation and give the goal oriented result. And then they can also use a tool and API, external tool and API. They can interact with your database. They can interact your any other API for music, for movie, any kind of API for stock prediction, right? For upcoming festival, with what all new facility, or what all new flavor would be, or in your nearby around with during those festival. So that's here tool and API can be used, make independent decision, and then complete multi-step tasks. So real life example, customer service chatbot automating trading boards, smart home assistant, robotic vacuum cleaner. Yeah, this one is also now becoming very household, every household item in developed world, developed country. So let's look at example here. So I need to return my order number 1235. So access order database automatically, verify order existing with return policy, generate return shipping label, send an email to return instruction, update order status in the system. So they are doing multiple steps here, but autonomously, with without any intervention, manual intervention. They are doing independently. System are automated, and they are doing independent operation without your intervention, without any person supervision. So I'll give you a real example. So we'll more. Let me share my another window. That okay. So okay, so AI agentic role. Let's say what I'm planning to a family trip, 1 day family trip to the New York, near roam around the Times Square and then Brooklyn Bridge, etc., etc. And what I'm looking, so today is 6th of Jan, and the today condition, I can see the temperature is 3 degrees Celsius. What I'm asking, AI agentic tool. I want to plan a family visit for 1 day trip to the New York, and I want to visit few more favorite destination, or few more famous destination. The date would be next weekend, and next weekend date is what I can say, 11th of Jan, and then suggest me what kind of weather I can expect on the 11th of Jan. So the problem with the LLM or any AI and Gen AI is trained on certain range of the data, right? So let's say this is LLM that's trained on a certain range of data, for certain range of the data, certain data range of the data. Let's say as of now, this is trained on the 31st December. Now, what I'm asking, I want to date 1 day trip plan on 11th of Jan. Now, for 11th of Jan, tell me the weather prediction so that I can plan my schedule accordingly. If a snowy day, I have to wear different type of clothes. If it's a rainy day, then I have to bring my umbrella along with other stuff. So for 11th Gen data, right? Your LLM generally it's a pre-trained with certain range of data. And let's say LLM is trained on till 31st December of data. LLM not going to give you what will be the weather condition on 11th of Jan. LLM definitely can give you famous destination in and around the New York City. but LLM is not going to tell you what would be the weather condition of the 11th Jan. For that, AI agent need to come into the picture. AI agent, as said, it's a autonomous and independent. Here we can you can call another tool. So let's say it's I'm calling a weather tool, weather weather API. I'm calling an weather API. Now, weather API job would be LLM pass this request to the weather API, and weather API on behalf of you hit this tool and get the weather condition of 11th Jan. Now, once the API get the weather condition of this 11th Jan, this will again pass this information to your LLM, and LLM then whatever the along the your famous destination, top 5 or top 3 famous destination, they will also say whether it's a snowy day, rainy day, or sunny day. So for example, I can tell you here what will be the weather condition of the 11th of Jan around in and around New York. So it's up to you. You can use any weather related API. So here, let me change destination New York Times Square, Times Square. Yeah. So let's take this location only, right? So okay. So yep. So now you can see here. I can see the temperature condition today, but what I'm interested what with the weather on 11th of Jan. So 11th of Jan is heavy rain, right? So this API responsibility will pass this information to the LLM that the condition would be the heavy rain. So this LLM recommend me so many things after they recommend me your destination point, famous famous place to visit. Along with they also recommend, sorry, it's typo. So it's also again typo. Okay. So along with they also said it's rainy. The weather would be the rainy, not heavy rainy. It's a heavy likely chance of heavy rainy day. So now this is your AI agent. So other than this part, the 5 or 3 famous place to visit is given by LLM. But what would be the if you are looking something in the future or you are looking something from the database, right? You are looking something from your document. So LLM has no idea what is in your database, what would be your future. If you are looking some information of the beyond LLM train rate, then LLM has no information. For that, we make an AI agent here come into the picture. So here your AI agent would be your use weather prediction. This agent will give you the weather summary, weather detail, weather prediction of so and so date. So that's AI agent here. Hope concept is clear. So now we can let me come here. So traditional AI, generative AI, we discussed. Sorry, let's talk about this slide. So as said earlier, it's an autonomous system that perceive its environment, make decision, take action to achieve a specific goal, right? So autonomous, because reason why autonomous system, other than the knowing telling you the historical places, they have to also look for weather condition of so and so date, right? And then make a decision, take action to achieve a specific goal. And in layman term, think as a goal oriented digital worker that does not just provide information but complete end to end workflow. So where here end-to-end workflow is, other than providing the famous destination point, also provide the weather condition of so and so day. Key feature: autonomous operation, goal oriented, use tools and API. Definitely have to use the tool and API to interact with the external world other than the LLM data, LLM content. Make independent decision and complete multitask step. If you are, yeah, here the task like providing the few destination point, then along with that, they also provide the weather condition. Real life example: customer service chatbot, automated trading bot, a smart food assistant, a smart home assistant, robotic vacuum cleaner. Now see the previous, let's talk about the example that I tried to discuss earlier. So customer want to cancel the order number 12345. So what the bot have to do? Access order database automatically, right? LLM has no access of your personal data. So for that, the bot will interact with the database automatically. Then verify order exists with the return policy or not. That agent, it's agent work to access your database and then verify your return. Really, the order number 12345 is associated with you or not. So based on that, verify. If yes, then look for the return policy, and then if applicable for return, then generate a shipping label, send email with return instruction, and update the order station in your database ultimately. So that is AI agent. Now moving to the next, look like I mean we are running late. So agentic AI. Let's talk about the agentic AI in next 5 minutes. Now, so agentic AI, right? So let's talk about the agentic AI here. This is just extension of AI agent. In AI agent, we have a use single agent to give me the weather condition of so and so day. But in agentic AI, we can use multiple agent that orchestrate your entire process, right? So here, consider as of now, along with LLM, along we have to use many AI agents to achieve a complex task. So generate key features are Gen AI plus agent plus planning, complex workflow execution. In previous one, we have a simple workflow execution. Here is the complex workflow execution. Here, multi-tool orchestration. There in the previous example, I will use an API of the MSN weather to get the detail of weather of so and so date, and then advanced reasoning, and then self correction ability. Yeah, this one is also more important. They have capability to whatever the outcome, whatever the data they are trying to get a sense, they can revisit and do the correction if they think that outcome is not correct. So consider AI, it's a plan, act, reflect, and observe. So planning, then action, then reflect. Once they reflect, they can do the self correction, right? Now, real life example: AI research assistant, DevOps automation agent, complete travel planner. I can give you some more detail about this one. I'll give walk through one real life demo that I have recently developed almost 7 to 8 months back, an AI agentic tool. Legal document review, you can see so many example, real life example, but consider it's more than one AI agent work, more than one AI agent make an agentic AI system. In terms of the example, so here you can see plan a 5 day trip to Japan for two people, budget is $5,000. So see here what all activities required. So how many day trip? 5 day trip. Trip for where? Japan. For how many people? Two people. And what is the budget? 5,000 only. So researcher destination and attraction, research and compare 100. Okay. So here now let's trick. So research and compare 100 plus flight option. Definitely people prefer to lowest and cheapest flight with less travel time. So here you should have a one specific agent dedicated to look for the flight, one specific agent to book a best flight deal automatically, right? One agent, this agent will pass, this is the lowest, cheapest, and having a less travel time. this pass information to this agent. Once this information is available, this information goes to the agent, this one, and this book the flight automatically. Now another agent, right? As you are going to stay 5 day trip, so definitely you should have a hotel also there. You should have to book a hotel in advance. So this agent number 4, is going to book, reserve, or book a hotel on behalf of you. Now you are set 5 day trip plans. Definitely you will do some activities there. You will view some places, right? So this agent will create a day-to-day itinerary plan for you. And then this definitely for 6 day, you have to depend also take a food. So this make a make a restaurant reservation for you. So consider all together in this process we have uh, at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different agent, 5 different agent working together to making your entire itinerary travel plan. So that's all a agentic AI system, right? I'll give you one example here before moving to the agentic AI system. So recently, few months back, I have created a utility that going to what similar activity that going to perform. So yeah, so let me run this tool locally. Okay, let me go to here. It's loading, so couple more seconds. Now, what's going on? Yeah, uh, look like all good. So yeah, finally it's loaded, right? So this is your travel planner, AI based travel planner. I have used at least 5 to 6 AI agent to make entire uh, uh, system, and that solution system or solution is the name in the travel planner. So where what we are doing, where you are going, it's a source and destination. What kind of travel theme you can plan? Is your family vacation, adventure, solo trip, hiking, and then here your activity that you like to enjoy. So I have given here, but you can edit this entirely. You can delete it, and you can enter your activity, right? Travel plan, this is a 5 day starting day. I'm saying let's take a real example, and then I'm saying I want to, this is the preferred hotel. Yeah, here you can also see what kind of hotel I am preferring. It's a low budget 3 star. So 3 star hotel I am preferring, and then budget would be the 3 star. Flight class is economy. Definitely a flight. I have also integrated the flight API to get a detail. Probably you will not be get a flight detail here. Reason being the freebie. I have already make a request of around 20. Price checklist, packaging checklist. Yeah, that's the good thing I have also given. What these are the five for minimum requirement that like a checklist that you have to definitely you should carry. Luggage, cloth, comfortable footwear, mobile phone, medication, and first aid. And then preferred hotel rating there. Okay. All right. So let's give a one real example. I want to say I want to visit from Delhi to Jaipur for 5 day, and that would be my family vacation. Yeah, let's go for the family vacation. The trip that I am planning from end of Feb, so 27th of Feb, and generate my travel plan. So this will entirely give or generate a travel plan for next 5 days for Jaipur city. What all destination I must or I should have to visit, and what would be the expenses for that 5 day trip also. Meanwhile, I'll tell you once the it will take couple of seconds to generate my travel plan or itinerary. But meanwhile, I can tell you. Let me here in the my GitHub repo. Where, yeah, it's loading. So it's not this one. My bad. So more activity. Okay. My travel plan help trip helper. So here in the image, I can tell you how many agent I have used. Architecture diagram. Quickly, we'll wrap up this call in next 5 minutes. So you know the now multi-agentic system. I mean, instead of single agent, that's AI agent is the use of the single agent. But here in agentic AI, you have to use the more than one agent. That's why I'll call agentic AI. So here I have used the six specialized agent to perform or to make a entire plan for my trip. So one is the flight finder agent. Its duty is to find a flight, cheap flight. Currency expect agent. They will look for the day budget rating class. Based on that, look for the cost and then will give your uh, optimize your trips. Travel reservation agent on behalf of you. They book your reservation on behalf of you. And agent 4 will be the hotel restaurant finder agent. And the travel planner agent, ultimately, this is going to give you all itinerary detail. Hopefully now I can see the itinerary detail here. So 5 day trip from Delhi to Jaipur, starting from so and so day, 27th of Feb next month. So he is saying, okay, I said in the earlier, I already use this one aviation stack API. It's already consumed, so not available. So couldn't get the flight detail. But definitely, once you try, maybe you have luck, then you can get the flight detail as well. So now the he's saying the Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan, is a vibrant city for its rich history, stunning architecture. So these information are coming from the LLM because it's trained on certain date range of the data. But the information like the flight detail, definitely hotel reservation, flight booking, these here I have used individual agent. So that's why it's a agentic AI system. So what you can do, it's these are the hotel recommendation of the hotel because I have already given what kind of hotel I am looking. This restaurant, they are also given these five different restaurant attraction for sightseeing and activity, Amber Fort, Hawa Mahal, etc. Trip. Now, good thing is here you can see the tip for a family vacation, transport, timing, and shopping. What would be your all 5 day activity, arrival and city exploration, forts and places second day, culture experience and shopping on third day, day trip to nearby attraction. Okay, so nearby attraction are Ajmer and Pushkar. So it's saying take a day trip. It's a 2.5 hour from the Jaipur. Okay, what you can visit in the Ajmer and what you can visit in the Pushkar Lake. Lunch, afternoon, evening, day 5 relaxation and departure. Trip of the budget, travel budget, tips for the budget travel, transport, food attraction. So that's here use of the agentic AI system to plan your entire travel or trip. So that's AI agentic system. So now here I already discussed the same example, very similar to this. Other than that, I have not mentioned the budget would be the far less than max around the 5,000. So in summary, AI analyze and classify the existing data. Gen AI create entirely new content. AI agent take autonomous actions towards goal. Agentic AI plan plus execute complex workflow. Here in tabular format, the same thing. Okay, here good thing. Just attention here. AI foundation analysis and classification. Gen AI creativity. So whatever the AI does, on the top of that, this also plus content generation. Now AI agent AI plus Gen AI plus independent action. Now, agentic AI plus Gen AI plus AI agent plus complex planning. If I say complex planning means for agentic AI, analysis and classification. If needed, they can generate the content. If needed, uh, definitely plus independent action plus complex planning. So now hope concept of the AI, Gen AI, AI agent, and agentic AI would be clear. So summary again, AI just foundation, it's analysis and classification, analyze the data, try to find the pattern. Based on that, they take a decision, they analyze, then do the analysis and classification on behalf of you. Gen AI, they create a new content. Content would be your text, image, video, code, whatever. AI agent, autonomy plus independent action, LLM plus use of external tool or API to make an independent action to achieve some simple workflow. And agentic AI, it's intelligence, complex, whatever here, up to complex planning. They can make an entire complex plan on behalf of you with intelligence. So thank you for watching this video. And if you feel you got a clarity of by watching this video about the AI, Gen AI, AI agent, agentic AI, just comment it. Thank you. We'll see you in next video. Bye. Take care. So stop sharing. Go to there, man.